Ever wondered how to craft perfect homemade calzones? Picture this: golden brown, oven-fresh dough stuffed with a delicious blend of ham and cheese. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey as we walk through each step of this mouth-watering recipe. First, let's prepare the dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with a teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, dissolve a teaspoon of sugar and 3/4 of a teaspoon of active dry yeast in 3/4 of a cup of warm water. Let this sit until it becomes frothy, which should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, stir the yeast mixture and a tablespoon of olive oil into the flour mixture until a dough forms. Next, knead the dough on a floured surface for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Once kneaded, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours or until it doubles in size. While the dough's rising, it's time to prepare the filling. Combine a cup each of ricotta and shredded mozzarella, half a cup of chopped ham, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste in a mixing bowl. Now that the dough has risen and the filling's prepared, preheat the oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit and place a pizza stone inside if available. Divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Roll each piece into an 8-inch circle and divide the filling equally among the dough circles. Fold the dough over the filling to form a half-moon shape and make sure to pinch the edges to seal. Before baking, make a few small slits on the top of each calzone to release steam while baking. Transfer the calzones to a parchment-lined baking sheet and brush an egg wash over the top of each calzone for a beautiful golden finish. Slide the calzones onto the preheated pizza stone or place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the calzones are golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Finally, let the calzones cool for a few minutes before serving. The filling will be very hot. Enjoy your homemade ham and cheese calzones, and remember, they can be customized with additional fillings to suit your taste. If this recipe has tickled your taste buds, please do like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more delicious, easy-to-follow recipes. Happy cooking!